Hello everyone. Today when I was thinking about advertisement industries and advertising giants, I realized one thing. How much fooled have we have been through the years. The role of advertisement in the life of people. The actors promoting to the advertisements for their money, of course, and doing things which are unethical. Like be it Coca-Cola, be it Bonvita, be it Horlicks, be it the ghee, the dalda, and later on all the ghees and all these things which came, the artificial sweeteners, the fair and lovely cream, what not? Ching Chinese, Desi Chinese, and what not? We know somewhere it is not good for the health. We know somewhere that we have been fooled, but we fail to understand the consequences of it. We fail to understand that it is affecting all of us in a particular way. We fail to understand that indirectly it is affecting us. There's something called as for granted लेना किसी चीज़ को. We know its effects. We know it is harmful. But ठीक है ना, ये अभी तो नहीं हो रहा ना मेरे साथ, कभी होगा फ्यूचर में तो देखा जाएगा. That is where they all are making us fool. They are making us emotional. They have got such giants to promote their products. Amir Khan, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Deepika Padukone, all A-list actors are doing such things. The Fair and Lovely cream, what sense does it makes? I don't understand. You apply a Fair and Lovely cream, from being particular tone of skin, you turn out to be fair. Now what is that supposed to mean? They show that people with क्या बोलते हैं, darker skin has less opportunities, they don't get jobs, they're immoralized. Who told them this? What is the way of promoting this? What you are doing is simply you're creating a wrong impression on the people. You're making them less motivated for what they are. They're feeling ashamed of what they are. Do you ever think when they are going to see this advertisement, the people with not that fair skin, what are the feelings that they would have? What confidence they will gain by this? Yami Gautam doing such ads, from being not that good with skin, suddenly she becomes fair. Okay. And then she gets job opportunities and blah 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 blah. Does it make any sense? It makes zero sense to me. Drinking Coca-Cola, sugar, complete sugar, so much gases inside it. At the end of the day, they are all making us fool for the money that they are earning. हम एक्टर्स की तारीफ करते हैं, इतना अच्छा अच्छा बोलते हैं, हम बोलना चाहिए, अच्छा काम करते हैं वो लोग, बट अच्छा काम करेंगे तब. Promoting such things, tell them हर रोज पियो, तुम पियो, फेयर एंड लवली क्रीम लगाओ हर रोज. What they are using are the expensive creams and not this fair and lovely creams. They are making us fool. They are making, लोग जो इमोशनल लोग होते हैं ना, उनको फूल बनाना इजी होता है ना. हम है इमोशनल, हम है इंडियंस, हम मान लेते हैं कि एक्टर्स कर रहे हैं तो हम भी करेंगे, कूल लगता है. कुछ भी कूल नहीं है. यू सर्च अबाउट इट, यू सर्च ऑन द नेट, कितना डिसएडवांटेज है उसका. फूड कंपनीज वगैरह टाइम एंड अगेन दे आर टेलिंग अस, एंड सबका फायदा ना इधर. एडवर्टाइजमेंट कंपनी से लेकर सबका फायदा है. दैट्स द रीजन दे आर डूइंग इट. बट स्टॉप कंज्यूमिंग कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स. Stop consuming things that you feel are not good. You know it somewhere. You know it. What's the truth? You know what's the reality. Don't fall prey to such things. Don't damage the body. Don't harm the body.